Before your app can feel structured or personalized, you need to control who sees which pages. That's where protected pages and user roles come in. Protected pages are the foundation of security in your Knack app, and user roles are how you turn that security into tailored experiences for different types of users. A protected page is any page that requires a user to log in before they can see it. Once a page is protected, you can decide which logged in users can access it. All logged in users, or specific user roles like administrators, managers, clients, or staff. This is the cornerstone of multi-user professional app design. It's how you prevent the wrong people from seeing sensitive data and how you create different experiences for different types of users inside the same app. You can do this in two ways: when you add a brand new page or by converting an existing page into a protected one. Let's walk through both. First, let's see how to add a new page that's protected from the start. In the Builder, go to the Pages section. Click Add Page to create a new page. When the page settings open, look for the Protected Page toggle and turn it on. Below that, choose how users will register, if at all. No registration, users must already exist as users in your app. Yes, allow new users to register from this page. Pending approval, users can register, but you'll approve them before they get access. Next, decide who can access this page. Choose all logged in users or select specific user roles if this page should only be visible to certain roles, for example, administrators only. Save the page. You've now created a new protected page with the correct access rules built in. This is great for dashboards, internal admin views, or anything you never want the public to see. Now let's say you already have a page that's currently public and you realize it should be behind a login. In the Pages list, look at the icons next to each page. Pages with a lock icon are already protected. Pages without a lock icon are public. Find the public page you want to lock down and click on it. Click the three dots, More Options, for that page and select the Protected Page option. Just like before, choose your registration preference, no registration, yes, or pending approval. Then decide who can access this page. Keep it open to all logged in users or limit it to specific user roles if this is meant to be restricted, for example, only managers or only clients. Save your changes. You'll now see a lock icon next to that page in the list, confirming it's protected. From this point on, users will need to log in and meet the role requirements to see that page. Now that your pages are secured and user access is under control, it's time to look at how your app is structured. In the next video, we'll explore start pages and child pages, the backbone of a clean, organized Knack app. Until then, you can start by choosing which of your pages should stay public and which ones deserve a lock.